Good morning to all of you. I'm here to share with you information about Indian Army's success in neutralizing an attempt by Pakistan to infiltrate terrorists into India across the line of control. In early hours of this morning, our troops along the line of control in Nagaum sector detected suspicious movement originating from Pakistani posts in the area. Appropriate response by troops on ground was taken to eliminate the two terrorists who were trying to infiltrate into our area by cutting the anti-infiltration fence. The heavily armed terrorists, dressed in combat fatigues, had taken the route through Pakistani posts in the area opposite, which clearly indicates Pakistan complicity in abetment to fomenting terror in India. Action of own troops was precise and timely, thereby ensuring a clean operation. Recoveries from the slain terrorists, which we'll be sharing separately with you, includes 2 AK assault rifles with 12 filled magazines, a pistol, magazines, some grenades. In addition to the food and medicines, we also have recovered about 1.5 lakhs in Indian and Pakistani currency. The search operations are still underway in the area to sanitize. The infiltration attempt follows similar attempts made by Pakistan in Kupwara and Rajouri sectors in recent past and needs to be seen in the backdrop of various inputs about increased presence of terrorists in the launch pad across the line of control, fully facilitated and supported by Pakistan Army. Indian Army remains fully committed in its resolve to maintain the sanctity of line of control, and any trans-LC movement shall meet similar or appropriate response. The Dagger Division on its part, or for that matter, the Indian Army, is ready along the line of control as well as in the hinterland. I'll now take on about 3 or 4 questions.
Sir, what's the present status of infiltration and infiltrators along the line of control?
See, the inputs indicate that about, I would like to put a figure to that, the launch pads are fully occupied, and if we have to hazard a guess, it could be anything between 250 to 300 terrorists presently occupying the launch pads opposite.
So also, how many infiltrators have been neutralized by the forces if we talk about this year, and also how do you see the summer of 2020?
See, the details of infiltration bids foiled shall be shared with you subsequently. And if we see, what do I foresee for the summer, if we have to forecast? See, Pakistan has been failing in its attempt to instigate the people of Kashmir. The people have by and large rejected the narrative of Pakistan. And ever since we had the momentous decision of August last year, they have been trying very hard